So I thought I'd record something a bit different today. AI transformation is all about people. What I mean by that is if you're trying to get an AI transformation working, it's not about the prompts and agents and efficiencies that you can get from using a tool like Claude Code or a voice tool like 11 Labs or using ChatGPT Codex. Rolling out ChatGPT Enterprise to all of your team members is kind of like the training wheels level of AI transformation. Your job's not done yet if all you've done is your people can get access to the latest models in their work environment. What I mean by AI transformation is about people is you need to upskill people and help them feel comfortable that when they identify a problem in the workplace, they can use an AI tool to securely develop a solution, interact with your data, meet all of your internal guidelines and compliance obligations, and then push that solution through to a production environment where your business benefits, your customers benefit, and you actually start to realize the wins from AI because of bottom-up innovation. When I look back on my career in corporate project delivery, one thing I learned is that top-down initiatives only work if you get buy-in from people who actually do the tasks that interact with your customers on a daily basis. A lot of people are trying to push a top-down AI transformation without thinking about the incentives that everyone has to respond to in a corporate environment. Executives want to make more profit. They want to avoid tough questions from investors and analysts on the next earnings call. They were dealing with boards of directors who are terrified of risk and putting on very strict governance requirements around anything to do with AI. All of this stuff makes sense given the constraints that a corporate faces. They have to meet all of their regulatory obligations. They have to meet all of their licensing obligations. If they're listed on a stock exchange, they have to meet their continuous disclosure obligations. They're also facing what I think is becoming a hyper-competitive environment because unlike previous waves of transformation, what's happening with AI is your competitors have opportunities if they're the first mover in a particular vertical to redefine what an efficient operating model looks like in that space. They might be able to reduce cost to serve so much or add in so many product features that you find yourself, because you were too slow at getting an AI transformation moving through investing in your people and empowering them, that you're not in a competitive position in a few years and find yourself experiencing the very strategic risk that you thought all of your governance and controls were going to protect you from. AI transformation is about people, and the people who do the work in your business will have a lot of ideas of how to use AI to improve it. And if you're not listening to them, it's going to be harder and harder to win in the AI era.